Okay, I'm going to add the coolant now, and this is BMW antifreeze, which is a concentrate, so you need to mix it 50-50 with distilled water. So I've got a gallon mixed up here. Let's pour this in. I'm already making a mess here. You'll notice it's blue. One good thing about all the fluids I'm using is the antifreeze is blue, which could be confused with the washer, but that you know, if you saw that in your oil pan, then you would know you have some antifreeze in there. But anyway, it's blue. We've got the red. I'm going to use Redline D4 ATF fluid in the power steering reservoir. It's red. In the differential I have Royal Purple, which is purple. So if I have any leaks, I can kind of tell by the color right away what it is. So it's going to be 8.5 liters, or about 2.4 gallons. Let that sit for a minute. I want to turn the engine over a few times here. Okay, I'm going to add some engine oil. Got 0W40 European Car Formula Mobil 1. This is really the only oil that I can find that meets the specs for BMW's engines. It's a good oil. You could find it on sale every now and then. Okay, so this is going to be 5 quarts here. I always turn these cans, these jugs upside down and let them sit for a little while, and then I'll take whatever gathers there and put that in my oil cans around the shop. Just a little tip there for you. Okay, turn this engine a little bit now. Feels like I got some compression now. The difference with the spark plugs in there. Okay, my coolant's gone down some. Alright, let's go ahead and put another quart of oil in. Okay, so that's 6 quarts right there. Let's take a look at the dipstick. Let's see what it reads. Okay, so that says full. I've got another quart on standby over here. So we did replace the filter as well. So we'll turn it over a few times. And then check the fluid again before we actually start the vehicle. Looks like the fluid's dropped again here. Got to open the bleeder screw. Now we can top it off. Okay, so it just about took 2 gallons. Okay, it just dropped when I opened this up, so let me see if it'll take the rest of this gallon. Nope. Answers that. Okay, so here I'm going to use some D4 ATF fluid by Redline. And I want to not even close. I'm going to want to flush that a little bit once I get the car running. So I've got another can of it. Alright, that should just about do it for all the fluids. Got just a little bit left in here. Okay, that might be a bit much. Oh, horse.